Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial. It is third tutorial or third video of this series. In this tutorial we will study about primary key. So first of all, what is primary key? A primary key is a key that makes a column capable to hold unique values. Means primary key column is capable to hold unique values. We cannot insert duplicate values in that. Duplicate entries in primary key column are not possible at all. For example, two students in a class cannot have same roll number, or we can say two employee or three employee or multiple employee in a company cannot have same employee ID. Employee ID of each employee is different. Columns like roll number, ID, enrollment number, etc. can be declared as primary key, but columns like name, gender, designation, address cannot be declared as primary key because it is quite often these columns contain duplicate values. We can look here in this example. Here are four columns: ID, name, age, date of birth. So ID will be primary key. We can make ID as a primary key for this table because ID is always unique for every employee or every person. But name, age, date of birth can be duplicate. It is very common. Name can be duplicate, age can be duplicate, date of birth can be duplicate. Chance of duplicate in all three fields is very easy. It is quite often, but ID is always unique. So how to make a column primary key in a table and how to declare a column primary key with auto number, all these properties we will discuss today in this tutorial. For this, first of all, we will open database. It is database. In this database I am creating a table student, and in this table I will take roll number. Roll number, it is number, and we can declare it as primary key. But before making it primary key, I want to explain you something. So first of all, left it as such. Name, name, class, section. So okay, enough. Now save this table as student table. No primary key. There is no primary key defined, so I am not defining primary key right now. Roll number is 101, name is Amir, class is 12th, and section is A. Roll number is 101 again for Sahil, class 12, section A. We can look here, name is different, same class, same section, and ID is also same. So it is wrong. One ID cannot contained by two students. Both Amir and Sahil have same roll number. It is not possible. So we have to change it. But without primary key it is possible because this entry is accepted. So we can prevent such type of wrong entries with the help of primary key. For this I will declare or I will make a column primary key. Select this column primary key. Now we can see effect. 101 Amir 12 section A. 101 again Sahil 12 section A. The changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate value in the index, primary key or relationship. So it generates a warning message because it's violating the rule. 101 is duplicate entry, so we have to change it. If we say it is 102, then this entry is accepted. So like this primary key column force an entry to be unique. Means in primary key column we have to enter a unique value. Now second thing is this, we can make primary key column auto number because in this type of primary key, every type we have to enter a value, means every time user will enter a value. So there are chance that user can enter duplicate value and which cause an error. So we can make it auto generate. For this, delete these entries, right click on it, design view, and say it auto number, save. Now this ID will generate it automatically. Now we can look here, same class, same name, same section, but still then ID of Amir is different. So with the help of ID they will be, or with the help of roll number, they will be recognized in the class. A class can contain 2 or more students with same number, and their class will be same, section will be same. So how we will recognize to those students? We can recognize those students with the help of their ID or roll number. So it is the use of primary key. Primary key maintain uniqueness in a table so that duplicacy can be controlled, and records data or data entry should be controlled in and should be appropriate. So in this tutorial I told you the use of primary key and how to make a column primary key and how to make primary key column auto number. All these things we discuss here. If you have any query or if you have some problem in this tutorial or in this video, you can ask me through comment. And if you like this video, so give a like. Other you can share if it is helpful, you can share it with your friend, and you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.